Yeah, I'm the idiot who bought vscode stories from Ben. Here's my rationale. I was amazed by the buzz this created, and I knew that behind the satire is an actual potential. I bought the project and got a Kickstarter going for the development. Crowdfunding campaigns are decided within the first 48 hours. We're at 1% funded after 4 days, so it's an epic fail already, and I might even stop the crowdfunding. To me, the whole thing was an experiment to test two assumptions. First assumption, a substantial part of the buzz are people who believe this could be useful and not just a waste of time. I thought that portion might be half or a third or so of users. Turns out it's maybe a percent. The 1% who can see the future. So, first assumption, people find VS Code stories already useful. Dead wrong. Second assumption, Kickstarter is a viable way of financing open source. If you look at historical projects on Kickstarter, you can find some open source ones. Almost all of them failed, but one formula I found is that each GitHub star can raise about $15 of crowdfunding. GitHub stars don't lie, I thought. Well, we have more data on that now. So let's try and make a forecast. If we remove the satire buzz and apply the 1% non-satire ratio, then the Kickstarter should bottom line with 2 to 3K. We're even a bit behind that when extrapolating, but it seems to be in range. So the second assumption, $15 or so per GitHub star, is still something I'm holding on to. I'm happy to share these two learnings with you guys, and if you have a more serious open source project that you would like to monetize, I'll help. Visit osboost.com for more info. So, what will happen with stories? Obviously, I will be looking into other ways of monetizing, but I don't have a plan B ready right now. Most importantly, the extension has to become more useful. I guarantee that VS Code stories will stay online and the code will stay open source, but it needs a change of direction into something a bit more serious. Let's think creatively. If you look at what's there now and think about collaboration, what comes to your mind? If you have a particular vision, share it in the comments or post it on Twitter with the hashtag vscodestories. I'll also discuss vision and roadmap with the other contributors in the following days and weeks. Stay tuned for the future. Bye for now.